In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TeamViewer Host. If you're setting up unattended access so someone can connect to your computer reliably in the background, TeamViewer Host is the right choice. I'll walk you through a clean path on the official website so you get the correct installer quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official TeamViewer website. It's always best to type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark to avoid copycat sites. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Free Business Trial. We're not starting a subscription here. This link conveniently routes us to the area where all the core access options and downloads live. On the next screen, select Access Web Client. This shows you that TeamViewer can also run in the browser, which is useful for quick sessions. However, since we want the host package that runs in the background on your device, we're going to continue toward the downloadable installer. Next, choose Download Client. This takes you to TeamViewer's main download area. You'll see the standard desktop client here, but for specialized packages like Host, there's a dedicated portal with more options. Click the link that says Visit our download portal for additional downloads. This is the key step, because the Host installer is grouped with other build types in this portal. You'll land on a page that lists multiple TeamViewer downloads by platform and version. Now, find the TeamViewer Host section for Windows and click Download 64-bit. Most modern Windows devices are 64-bit, so this is typically the right choice. If you know your system is 32-bit, look for the 32-bit option in the same portal. If you're downloading for a different operating system, switch the platform in the portal first, then select the host package there. After you click the download button, your browser should begin downloading the installer immediately. If prompted, choose a safe location like your downloads folder so it's easy to find. That's it, the host installer is now on your computer. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the download, confirm you're using the official site before clicking any links, and keep the installer handy if you'll deploy it to multiple machines. Depending on your device's security settings, you may need administrator rights to install, which is normal for background services. You're all set to proceed with installation whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you download TeamViewer Host with confidence.